Create lines with ratio allows you to create lines between two opposing main contour elements using a ratio. Start the macro and select the two main contour elements using the right and left mouse button. The editor allows you to select the amount of lines, the element type and extension, and to toggle grading on and off. In the right side of the window, the different variants can be selected. 3 variants are available: without offset, with 1/2 offset, and without offset plus start or end line. Keep in mind that the second and third option affect the amount of lines created. Each variant allows you to choose whether to trim the lines or not. Once all options are set, click OK. The lines have been created. They are graded and are converted to 3D internal lines if a 3D2 Deconnect license is used.